Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you all how to grow fenugreek or methi at your home easily. I am going to tell you step by step process. If you are planning to do gardening, starting with greens is give lot of confidence and lot of learnings. To grow fenugreek, take 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak them in water for 18 to 24 hours. Here I took 2 pots with soil and it has drainage holes and soil is loose. Now I am going to put the soaked fenugreek seeds in these 2 pots. As I said, soil should be loose so that seeds will grow nicely and we can just require little amount of soil into the pots. So with less soil and with fenugreek seeds we can grow so much. Now I put fenugreek seeds very thick layer on top of my soil and sprinkling soil on top of seeds. Please add only thin layer of soil on top of seeds. Now I am adding soil to my second pot. As I said, soil is loose in these pots and pots has drainage holes. After adding thin layer of soil on 2 pots, now I am going to sprinkle water. Please make sure you are sprinkling water slowly so that all seeds will stay intact and grow together healthy. If you sprinkle water forcefully, seeds will move apart and we can see them. They will not grow together and they will separate once they started growing. So in the second pot, I have added water little forcefully. Let's see the results. Here are my pots which I put 8 days back. See how healthy they are growing and how lushy they are. They are looking so healthy. We can use this fenugreek in different varieties of foods. Here are my 15 days old pots. These are 2 pots which I sowed my seeds in the starting of my video. After 8 days, you can see the growth of these 2 pots this much. If you see second pot, as I sprinkled water so forcefully and I added lot of water, you can see some plants are died. The other pot, I sprinkled water slowly and I added water whenever it is required. So please add water whenever is required. And in earlier days, water once a day. Once after 4-5 days, water twice a day. So please add your questions, comments when you start growing this so that I can respond to all your questions. Thank you and start your gardening and enjoy healthy growing. Thank you all. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos.